Hello and welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Thursday, May 26, 2016. Just going to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice. Thank you for your patience with that. I'm actually going to keep today's video really short because I am traveling and on the road. I'll be away for the next couple of weeks, so my Tuesday, Thursday videos, because I'm going to be on the West Coast, will go out a little later in the day, but I will still be posting Tuesday and Thursday until the middle of June. So getting into today's video, we always start them off with a look at the Russell Index, and for that we use the IWM, which is the ETF that represents the Russell 2000, looking at it on a 5-year monthly time frame, and we've been paying particular attention to the blue channel that the Russell traded within through all of 2014, had this uptick out in 15, the subsequent sell-off, and here's where we are right here, right now. So the candle for the month of March pushed us back into the channel. April, a little more indecision, but look, so far for the month of May, it looks like a pretty bullish candle shaping up, and we are bouncing off that more minor area of support. Good to be aware that we're coming up to the upper blue band, so we'll see if we can get through there. I would expect, though, that there might be some chop in this area. Since it held price in through all of 2014, it'll be interesting to see what happens when it gets up here this year. So moving away from the monthly chart, let's just take a quick look at the weekly, 2-year weekly, see how price is behaving. So we have this minor area of support. Come on, it's got to load, sorry. We were looking at this more minor area of support right here, this orange line, and you can see the candle from last week had that wick. And so far the candle for this week is looking like a pretty strong one, but again, here's that upper blue band. So we're going to be careful when price gets up into this area here. That's the weekly. Let's just take a quick look at the daily. Doji on the day yesterday, so it'll be interesting to see if we get follow through. Let's take a look a little closer. 6 month, yeah. So it'll be all about the follow through that we get today. So if we do get some strong price action throughout the day, I just wanted to point out some Chart of the Day Cafe picks that are looking interesting around the 8-day EMA. Smith & Wesson, we put this out here in a little green circle, and it's starting to move up and over the blue line. You know that any chart I put forward to you always has a really good value score. We're looking for value, growth, and a dividend. So this one I think is coming up on earnings pretty soon, so you want to be careful. But up and over the blue. Skyworks Solutions, which is an old pick of ours, but this one has a really nice high value score coming into this area of resistance, but if it gets through, this could be an interesting one. Also, United Continental, we put it out at our little green circle, but it looks as though it's working its way up and over that blue 8-day EMA. And finally, Dime Equity. Sorry, my computer's a bit slow this morning. So again, here's our area of interest. It's moving up and over that blue 8-day EMA. So these might be ones for you to watch. So with that, I will say goodbye. Have a great weekend, and we'll put another video out on Tuesday of next week, but it will go out probably towards midday for you guys here in this area because I will be on the West Coast. Thanks, and have a great weekend.